First, take a balloon. Now, cut off the neck of the balloon, just like I'm doing here. Once you've cut it, remove the extra part and keep the rest of the balloon. Next, cut that piece into small sections. Watch how I do it. It's quick and easy. Now grab your soap dish. Place the balloon pieces inside, spreading them out evenly to form a base. This will allow the soap to stay slightly elevated and avoid contact with any accumulated water. Many people struggled with soap dishes full of residue and grime. When soap is constantly in contact with water, it becomes sticky, dissolves quickly, and leaves the bathroom or kitchen looking untidy. With this trick, those problems are a thing of the past. The balloon pieces act as a barrier, keeping the soap dry and free from residue. Not only does this extend the life of your soap, but it also makes cleaning the soap dish much quicker and easier.